Do you want to grow or accelerate the growth of your business on LinkedIn? Well, today is day 4 of my expert formula for LinkedIn success to accelerate your business. Now, if you haven't checked out the other 3 videos of the past 3 days, go and do that now because these things need to be done in sequence. And today is the 4th E in the expert formula. Today is elevate your visibility. Now that you've done the other 3 things, you're ready for people to see you. You're ready for the right people to see you. So you want to implement a content and a visibility strategy so that people can see you, they can know you, and they can see what you're all about. You want to be able to get seen and get heard to attract and influence the right people to you. So elevate that visibility. If you're the best kept secret, good luck with that. It's not going to work to grow your business. And then the other piece of this is when you do implement that strategy, be consistent. I cannot stress this enough. Inconsistency will not work on LinkedIn. All right, if you need help growing your business on LinkedIn, reach out to me and let's talk about how we can work together to make that happen. My name is Carden. You can book a call with me at acarden.com, and I'll see you tomorrow for step number 5 in the expert LinkedIn formula. Have an awesome day.